First possession, the Falcons win. Yes, sir. 2 points. Automatic. Brent. Brent with the rebound. For too strong. Kenzo Lagoon, you going forward to Evo. Evo. All alone. Oh, in out. Rebound by number 12. To number 33, Kenzo. Kenzo attack. What a block by Mac. Nice block. Nice defense by Mac. Nice fake. Nice pass, number 4. Up. Too strong, rebound by Lucas. Lucas to Evo. Intercepted by number 12. To number 33. Number 4, looking for teammates. Slide, fires, no good. Rebound by Mac to Brent. Brent, yes sir. 2 points for Brent.
Sa backline.
Ayun na, mga players ng focus kung dadatingin sila. May pakak na. Kenzo to number 12. Good fire by Brent. Yes, all Brent. Shout out kay Dennis na pinabalo. Nakapasok na taxi na shout out kay Brent. To Lucas, wings, fires, sayang! Di ba din? Si Kenzo. Kenzo. What's the color? Jump ball. Safe ball. Focus ball. Number 6, no good. Rebound by Brent. To Brent. Brent, Evo. Kenzo to number 6, Page, nice attack, up, deflected by Mac. Oh, too strong.
Nice big
Focus
line.
ball.
Oh, attack.
Kenzo.
First quarter score 0-6.
First personal foul.
North. Inbound. Lakihon.
Number
Nasa
4.
number 4.
Nice fix.
Wala,
Reverse.
wala.
Short.
Foul.
Rebound by number 6.
Ni number 6
Nice
Lakihon.
rebound. Oy, nakalusira.
Sira.
Oy, sayang. Back to the rebound.
Number 23.
Score is 6-0.
Bigay kay number 1.
5 minutes, 20
6-0.
seconds.
Number 1. Pick and roll. Tumira.
Evo for 3. Strong rebound by Mac. Mac put back. Uy, sige ko ba
Focus.
Nice pass and good shot for Mac. 2 points.
Enzo.
8-0. Butas ang focus. Kenzo. Number 12 up. Foul. Number 1, Evo. Substitution. Number 16 in. Who's out? Number 6 out. Number 13 line. Up. Steal by Lucas. Forward pass to Evo. Evo gets tight. Nice side step. 2 points for Evo. Consigo, number 16 to number 4. Up. Foul. Who's foul? Number 1, Evo, back-to-back fouls. Second personal foul, third team foul. 4 Falcons. 2 shots for number 4. First, no good.
First free throw.
Second free throw.
Second free throw. Number 4. Wala. Rebound. Lucky hole. Tumira. Yes. Wala.
Rebound by Brent. Brent looking for the attacks the middle. Wala. Rebound by number 12.
Mistake.
Number 6. Up.
Over number 6. Wala.
Time out!
Focus.
Focus. Mentality. Official score 10-0 in favor of the Falcons.
Return to the ball game. Wala ng ball.
Evo. Evo to Brent. Nice cut by Mac. A good rebound by number 16. Consigo. This crossover by Consigo. Looking for teammates to Kenzo, number 33. To Clyde fires. Short. Kay Karin. Attacks. Yes, sir.
Pasok
First
din.
2 points courtesy of Clyde.
Pabutas na.
1 minute 35 seconds remaining. Evo taking free to Lucas to Kuya. Nice. Timeout! Falcons! Falcons ball. Evo, the brand. Nice. Up. That's it. Uy, na-recover. Evo up. Agaw. Dito ba? Agawan. Wala. Nandun pa kayo. Ay, dito. Nandun pa sa number 12. Seconds to play. Go. 35 seconds. Running time pa tayo. Fourth quarter pa tayo stop clock. Up. Evo for 3. No good. Back with a rebound. To Brent. Brent breaks high. Say, oh, go, let's go, 30 seconds, running time. Last possession, 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Kenzo, strong, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And on the first quarter, official score, 10-2 in favor of the North Falcons.
Favor of Falcon. Second quarter.
Possession goes to Falcons.
Okay, Falcons goal. Ready?
Evo. Oh, nice cut by EJ. Short. Rebound by Abe. To number 12. To Abe again. Abe. To number 35. Short. Up. Right on weekend. Falcons ball. Alzin and EJ in the ballgame.
Go attack!
Nice pass to number 12. 12 muscles straight up. Pushing foul number 2, Elzin. First play. Dave fakes up. Traveling. Great. Eagle. Alzin. Nice pass. Iowa. Steal by number 12. Number 12. Number 30. Up. Steal number 2 Lumas. Lumas. To Eagle looking for the point guard. EJ. Break. 10 seconds shot clock. Lucas. 5, 4, 3, 2. 24 seconds shot clock violation. Substitution. Bonsigo. To number 12 in the middle. Nice pass. Oh, what a steal by Alzin and si Brent. Brent all the way. Sir, 2 points.
Score
For
12-2.
Mr. Lahami. Bonsigo. Nice crossover. Oh, nice pass to number 12. Yes, sir. 2 points for number 12. Reyes. Evo to Brent. Up. Foul. Number 12, Reyes. Substitution. Mac in, Lucas out. Substitution. Zaid in, Evo. Brent. Put back by Macmillan. Nice steal by EJ to Evo. Evo tayo. Okay na tayo. Almost a steal. Ay, ang ganda ng break. Mac will rebound. Mac. Against Natty. Mac to Evo. Evo to Brent. Oh, what a steal by Reyes. Ay, nagbawa. Sayang.
Awan.
Brent, nice pass to Mac. Basket count. Foul number 15, Natty. Nice pass. Good shot. And 1 basket. Second team foul, 4. Focus. No good.
Uy, good! That's good!
Wala. Bonus lang yun. EJ. Up. Number 12, either rebound. Reyes all the way. Mac. Up. Number 6, number 16, starting box. Malakas. Rebound by Brent. Up. Out of bounds.
4.
First. Is it? Red. The good. Driven by Nati. Number 15. Nati. All the way to number 28. Against Evo. Nice defense. Miguel. Focus ball. Reyes. The steal by Evo. Nice steal by Evo. Elzin Pasilje ba yan? Up. Reyes. Floater. No good. Kapitan. Tapos pa kay Brent. Looking all the way. Foul. Number 12. Reyes. Second personal foul. Third team foul. For folks. Substitution. Brent out. Lucas in. Pasok ka na. Sige. Lucas to Evo. 10-second shot clock. Steal by Nati. Up. Counter steal by Lucas. Up. Back fades away. The rebound by number 4. From Dave. 1 minute remaining in our second quarter. Bagal ang scoring natin this quarter, ha? Hindi masyadong score. Up, Evo. Here's Miguel. Up. Foul, Evo. Third personal foul for Evo. Second team foul for Falcons. Set it submit. 40 seconds. Almost a steal. Nati. Too strong, rebound by DJ. Williams. 25 seconds, let's go. Final possession. Seconds. Nice pass to Nati. Nati. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Almost and the second quarter. Official score 44, 10-point lead
14-4.
by the North Falcons. Alright, third quarter. Kenzo to Miguel. Number 6, nice win. Up the steal by Lucas. Nice steal by Reyes. Counter steal by number 12. Nice to Miguel. Miguel. Kenzo to Amy. Reyes against Brent. Foul. Number 22, Mac. Second personal foul for Mac. First team foul for Falcons. 2 shots for number 12, Reyes. Reyes, first shot. Malakas. Second free throw. No good. Rebound by Matt to Brent. Brent against Reyes. To Kenzo to Matt. Matt attacks. Up. Tatapik to Brent. Almost a steal by Kenzo. Kenzo against Brent. Brent attacks. With a foul. Miguel against Nazrin. Oh, Miguel too strong. Reyes put back. Yes, sir. 2 points for Reyes. Brent against Abe. Nice pass up. Focus ball. 30 seconds.
14-6.
Abe. Kenzo, rebound by Brent. Foul. 8. First personal. For focus. Lahabra, Brent. Nice pass to Hawk. Hawk face! Ay, short lang. Rebound ko din iba. Up. Steal by Reyes. Reyes. Sabi nga ako nila magbababa. Reyes to Miguel. Fires. Oh. Foul to all. Brent. Nice pass to Nice pass to Brent. Yes, sir. 2 points for Brent. Reyes. Looking for teammates to Kenzo. To Miguel. Miguel to up. Almost a steal. 10-second shot clock. Number 6, so good. Brent with the rebound. Brent versus speed. Yes, sir. 2 points for Brent. Stop. Miguel, point guard. Time remaining, 4 minutes, 50 seconds. Miguel to Reyes. Reyes attacks. Fires. Yes, sir. 2 points for Reyes. Snap, focus up, jump ball. One basketball. Substitution. Timeout! Foul ball. 18-8, 10.8. Kaya mabunin niyo. Kaya na-practice na ang focus. Let's see. Have a great people. Oh, almost a steal. Now, Ivo. Nice back. Elzin, yes sir. Plus Buster, Ivo. That's the Ivo. 2 points for Elzin. Then Sigo. Ivo up almost. Kenzo. To number 12. Kenzo. Fires. Short. Rebound by Mac. Lucas. To Brent. Strong. Rebound by Lucas. To Robin A. Focus ball.
Nice goal.
2 minutes. 5 seconds.
It's a good goal.
Almost a steal. Ivo. Miguel. To Kenzo. Almost a steal by Ivo. Ang ganda ng depensa. Nakalilikap na baka. Lucas. Sidestep. Foul. Miguel. Number 13. Grabe yung sidestep ni Lucas. Baka ako natigilan. Sidestep. Second team foul for Focus. 2 shots for Lucas. First shot, tapos second free throw. Short rebound by Brent Pusa. Up foul. Number 16, substitution. 50 seconds. Number 12, sorry. 2 shots for Brent. Second free throw for Brent. Second sa play tayo mga kids, ha? Tuloy-tuloy tayo. In and out, rebound by number 12. Up. Good. Oh, 25 seconds.
Light. 100.
Morning, Commissioner. Warning tayo, warning focus. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. Nice move by Elzin. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And up the third quarter. Official score 28, 12-point lead by Falcons for today of the game. Consigo. Oh, seized by Ivo. Ivo. Almost a steal by Nati. Panayin nila si Ivo. Brent. 14 seconds. Lucas na good. Rebound by Nati. Nati with aid. Consigo. Ay, foul. Lucas, number 11. Consigo. Almost a steal completed by Lucas to Brent. Brent, a good rebound by Elzin, a good rebound by Consigo. Number 16, against Lucas, Consigo, what a pick up. Ganda ng pick up niya. Rebound, ay! All alone si Ivo, ano ba yan? Tatay na malakas. Puro ni tatay. Mali, tatay. 8 minutes, 30 seconds. steal by Evo. Up. Evo. To Elzin. Elzin attacks. Mac with the rebound. To Brent. To Elzin. Good. 10 seconds shot clock. Boom! 2 points for Lucas. 7 minutes 35 seconds.
Katok.
Clyde. Looking for teammates. Almost a steal. Consigo. To Abe. Floater. The grand rebound by Evo. Stop and pop. So good. Rebound by Consigo. Consigo. Malakas rebound by Abe. Wala pa din. Elzin all the way na. Sabi ni Elzin, ito up. Grabe din. Focus ball. 6 minutes 30 seconds. 22 lead pa din ang ating score. Ayan na si Clyde. Clyde attacks. Yes sir! 2 points for Clyde. Yes, Clyde works. Mac. Up. Elzin to Mac. Oy, nice. 2 points for Mac. Time out! Focus, man. Ayan. Miguel. Clyde for 3. Rebound by. Oh, too strong. Focus ball. Miguel. Harass Bradley goal. Yes, sir. Rebounds. Miguel.
Good.
Alam mo, Igo. Clyde against Brent. Up, nabitawan. Back. Nice pass to EJ.
Nice, derecho.
Up, foul. EJ, substitution. Three minutes, 35 seconds. Miguel for 3. Good luck. Focus ball.
Huli.
Lumas to Evo. Nice pass to EJ. Save ball. Oh no. EJ. Nice pass. Sayang. Steal by Reyes. Reyes all the way. Rebound by Brent. Same ball. 2 minutes 20 seconds. Ivo, titire. Ivo. To Mac. Mac. Strong up. 10 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Blue ball. 5, 4, 3, 2. Good. Spot number 23. 15, number 15, sorry. EJ. Nati to Miguel.
Get the ball! Get it!
Miguel. Oh, yun na. Evo gets Clyde. Step back. Yes, sir. 2 points for Evo. Clyde crossing over. Evo. Clyde step back. Zayn to Miguel. Miguel. Up. Foul. Evo. 4 fouls for Evo. 28-10, 1 minute 15 seconds. Miguel, letting break. Yes, sir, 2 points for Miguel. 1 minute 10 seconds. Eight seconds. Violation. 1 minute, exactly 1 minute. Again, Clyde. Up, almost a Steve Natty. Nice pass to Clyde. Short, rebound by Lubas. Lubas, all the way. Yes, sir, 2 points for Lubas. 40 seconds. Race to the rebound by Brent. 25 seconds remaining. Almost at Brent using up the clock. Evo, 14 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. 5. Oh, still tight. 9, 8, 7, 6. 5 fouls. 5 fouls from Evo, 5 fouls. 2 shot for Clyde. First shot for Clyde.
Take time! Take time!
7 free throw. A good rebound by Matt. 5, 4, 3, 2. Miguel 0. Basket down for Miguel Buzzer. Official score 13-14 in favor of the